Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Today's video is going to be the March unboxing of the Lashybox. This is like my fourth time getting this box, I believe it is, and I really enjoy this box, so I continue to get it. All right, we're not going to do a whole bunch of talking today, so before we get started, you know what to do. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and comment. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And to anyone that is just joining in today, thank you so much. I really appreciate you for stopping in and watching. And for everyone else who's been here from before, hey girl, hey. Alrighty, let's get into the video. All right, let's open it up here. Let's see. I'm shaking this thing a whole hell of a lot, aren't I? Could be messing up something inside. All right, and of course, the first thing you see when you open it, it looks like this. Okay, so let's see. Appeal, $20 gift certificate, promo code appeal, and this is for www.appealcosmetics.com. So if anyone has ever heard of this company, there is a discount code for you. Feel free to go ahead and use that. And even if you haven't heard of the company, go ahead and check it out because you got a coupon code, because I know that's where I'm going once I get done with this unboxing. Alrighty, so that's that. And then you have your usual Lashybox little card that they always put in their boxes, and it just on the back it says let's be friends, and has their Instagram, Facebook, and their website so that you can go ahead and join the club as well. www.lashybox.com. There you go. All right, first thing that I see when I pull out the next thing, this is Lashybox, and these are 3D silk lashes in the style Lulu from Lashybox. Yes, Lulu. Maybe on one of my Lashybox unboxings, I will do a live demonstration of how I apply my lashes. I do have a tutorial on how I apply my lashes, but that was early on in my channel. Not that I've been on here for a long time. I've only been on YouTube for, it still hasn't even been 3 months yet. It's only been like 2.5 months since I've been on YouTube. But when I first started it, I did do a little a little lash tutorial, which I will link up in the cards, and check that out. But I actually do them a little different now, and once I get some updated supplies and things that I need, I will do a better demonstration of lashes. But anyway, yeah, here we go with those. The next thing that comes out is the Lashybox is the tweezers or lash appliers. You apply them with these tweezer type things. I never know what they called, but you put the lashes right here, and then you just take and go boom and attach one end, then attach the other end, boom, boom, boom. These are very handy. I've actually never used any that look like this, but it's always fun to try something new. Next thing I see is Appeal Pigment. Looks like that, a nice beautiful silver type color. Oh, it looks silver, but it says it's pearl white. Oh, I guess if you look at it, it do look white, but yeah. Nice little pigment here. Yeah, y'all. Yeah. All right. And next thing is, let's see, Phenomenal Mink Lashes. And this is from Phenomenal Beauty. And this is in the style, let's see. It does not have a style here, and I looked on all the edges and I don't see any style here, but they're from Phenomenal Beauty. Yeah, I don't see a it just on the back it says life is good when your lashes are on point. Then it gives you a 3-step process on how to apply lashes. For anyone new there you go. Very nice, very nice. These are nice. There's like a double layer. I like lashes like that, like a little double right there. I don't know if you can see that, but see, like right there, got like a little double wispy like. All right, and the next thing I see here is this Lollipop Lashes. This is so cute. Lollipop Lashes. You get 2 of them, and they look like, whoa. Sorry. The top fell off. That wasn't me. It was already like that. Top fell off. Anyway, and don't fall off again, please. Anyway, Lollipop Lashes, they look like this. That's one pair. That's the other pair. They are different. I can see. Let me see. Let me take the thing off. Yeah, they're definitely different. One is more dramatic than the other. See that? But they are so cute, and I like the little concept of Lollipop Lashes. That is so freaking cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I do. Oh, they are so cute. So cute. Oh, I can't wait to wear these. Oh, can't wait, wait, wait. Anyway, those are those. Very, very cute. And then that is it. Oh, and then the lash glue that they always include. They always include a little sample size of lash glue. All right, everyone. So that is the end of what is in the box. And as always, the box is wonderful. I've liked the box every month since I've been getting it. They always have great things inside, and everything inside is very, very useful. And yeah. So thank you so much for watching my video today. I really appreciate you. And again, if you get a chance, head on over to Lashybox.com and sign up. It is $13.99 a month, and I think it's like $2 and something for the shipping. So the total that you'll be charged every month is like 16 something. I'm not sure what that is, but it's 16 something that will be charged. So again, yeah, it's worth it to me because, you know, 4 lashes and 2 extra products every month. It's great. So anyway, alrighty, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Have a good day. Bye.